Few things you should know about Tahiti. Hi everybody, my name is Tiani and I am from Tahiti. I'm living currently in New Zealand, and here I will be sharing about Tahitian culture, traveling to Tahiti, and also other things that I love. I have been training Tahitianness on this channel for a while now. I think I started in 2021, right before my 5th pregnancy. You heard me well. My 5th pregnancy. So let me tell you that now with 6 children, life is it's very full of energy and full of no time for me. Even though you will see less videos, dancing videos here on this channel, I am still hosting Tahitian dance classes for beginners. Because of my time schedule, I will only do private classes from now on. So one-on-one classes for people who would like to learn Tahitian dance in a deeper level for beginners. So together, when we'll be talking via email, we will plan the right time and right day for you to do so. And I also wanted to share more about Tahiti. So I went back home in December for a month, and it was such an amazing holiday with my family. After 12 years was the first time we went back, me, my husband, and all our children. It was very touching and emotionally rich to see the family, meet my family, because I think it's all what life is about, family. We stayed for a month and it wasn't even enough. But today I'm here to tell you a few things you should know about Tahiti if one day you want to travel there. Or just, for personal knowledge as well. I think it's a good thing to know. Tahiti is a little tiny island. If you see the globe, it's like you don't even see it. It's a little tiny island. Tahiti is the main island of French Polynesia. French Polynesia have like 122 islands altogether, and there's Tahiti, the main one. Mainly because it is the bigger one, and all the others are very even tinier little islands. Tahitian dance is from Tahiti, because then you have Marquesas Island, they have their own dance there, and other part of French Polynesia, groups of islands have their own dance and own culture. Even though we understand each other, there's a little difference there. So Tahitian dance from Tahiti, not from French Polynesia, from Tahiti. First language in Tahiti is French. Why? Because we were colonized by France. In the island, we still speak strongly the language, but in Tahiti, I feel there's more and more people speaking only French. I remember at the time of my grandmother, it was forbidden for them to speak Tahitian at school. So slowly, Tahitian was kind of forgotten by families. Then we were able to relearn it at school, but it was an option. If you ever wanted to learn, you could, but it wasn't mandatory. And I think it's still not. I think less and less people are learning the language, sadly. So if you ever go there, French would be your first language to learn. People do understand English and they do speak a little bit, but and they were nice about it, but French. Tahitian people are very welcoming. They are warm people. They hold their heart in the hand, if I can say that in English. But that's how we say it in French. They are very kind. People who love to serve each other. People who will smile and say hi to everybody. That's how Tahiti is, and I love that. As warm as the people are, the island is very humid and hot. Believe me, I was born there. I lived there for most of my life, and I was suffering. Every day was a big challenge with the heat, but I think it was easy because it was holiday, so we could go to the, swim in the water, in the pool, going on the beach. I think that was easy for us. And also people are living outside of the house because it's just easier to be out with the wind if you are near the sea, because then in the city it's hotter. Houses have air conditioning now. I think more and more do. If you ever go there, don't forget your sunscreen, because 1 hour at the sun and you are totally burned. I was burned. Still 10 here in New Zealand, and yet I was burned in Tahiti. So be careful. It's so, you just don't see the time go, because I don't know, you're in the water swimming, enjoying the thing, and then the next minute you are totally red and you can't go to the sun the next day, which is kind of sad. Then you have to stay in the house, and you don't want to be in the house in Tahiti. You want to experience, you know, outside life. Tahiti is an island where you can easily eat fresh fruit, tropical fruits as well, bananas, papayas, mangoes. Fish every day is not an option. Yeah, you have meat and everything, but for me it was fish every day, because then here in New Zealand there's no more fresh fish from the sea. One of the favorite meal of Tahitian is poisson cru, so it's raw fish. It's like a raw fish with cucumbers, with onions, spring onions, tomatoes, coconut cream, lemon, a bit of salt and pepper. This dish is my favorite. Now I know that's my favorite. So have a sashimi. So we have sashimi here in New Zealand. I think it's from Japan, because when you buy sushi, then you have the sashimi as well. But in Tahiti, we added some cabbage, finely cut, to the fish with rice, and then the sauce. And by the way, we eat everything with rice. I think I will stop right now because it's nearly 10 minutes, but that's a few things I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any question about Tahiti, Tahitian culture, anything you love to know, let me know. I'll be so happy to share more about my culture with you guys. That's something I really want to do from my heart. So let me your comments and I will answer as like the best I can. And thank you so much for watching this little video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. As we say in Tahiti, Nana.